Ever found yourself grappling with the labyrinth of a new language? Picture yourself decoding an alien script, or perhaps trying to articulate thoughts in a tongue that's not your own. Welcome to the journey of language learning, a path that's as thrilling as it is challenging. To navigate this journey effectively, there exist two essential methods. The first method is like building a bridge brick by brick, word by word. Start with learning to read and write in the language. A new alphabet may seem daunting, but it's the first step in unlocking the treasure trove of a new language. Once you've got a grip on the basics, dive into the vast ocean of literature available in that language. Books are a fantastic resource. They offer a glimpse into the soul of a language, its culture, and its people. By reading, you immerse yourself in the language, absorbing new words, idioms, and phrases. You begin to understand sentence structure and grammar in a natural, intuitive way. This method, although time-consuming, is incredibly rewarding. It helps you build a strong foundation and a deep understanding of the language. The second method is more about immersion and less about instruction. It's like jumping right into the deep end, engage in conversations with native speakers. This method is about learning through listening and speaking, engage in casual chats, heated debates, or simple exchanges. The aim is to communicate, to understand, and to be understood. The beauty of this method lies in its immediacy. You don't just learn a language, you live it. You pick up the nuances of pronunciation, the rhythm and the melody of the language. You learn colloquialisms and slang, things that books often miss out on. It's a method that's challenging, yet exhilarating. It's like learning to dance by dancing, not by reading about dance moves. In summary, both methods have their unique advantages. Reading and writing in a new language help you build a solid foundation and an in-depth understanding. It's like understanding the theory before jumping into the practical. On the other hand, speaking with native speakers offers a hands-on, real-world experience. It's quick, it's immersive, and it's as real as it gets. Whether you're learning your first foreign language or your fifth, remember that mastering a language is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, practice, and persistence. So, pick your path, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to embark on an incredibly rewarding journey. Enjoy the process, because every word you learn, every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to becoming a global citizen, fluent in the language of the world.